gonna look so good on camera, it's retarded.
You guys are gonna complain about it. Better put this on.
So you like the work I've done?
Nice.
It sounds so good.
Trigger response is amazing.
And the best part is that's only a SEMA motor.
No, it's the Echo 1 super high torque.
Right.
No, I've got 2 mags that won't
Give me a
feed
set,
it.
right.
Diabetes.
That looks badass, Hellbound.
I would say wait.
Wait. Do it again, Hellbound.
Wait.
It looks sick, man. It looks mean.
All it needs is fire.
I'm like,
Really? Really? You serious? Ah, don't shoot your gun! Don't! Whose gun went down?
Good. Dude, come here. Come here.
What happened?
I don't know. I pulled the trigger and just started going.
You hold that for? Son of a bitch, I'm in the way. Fuck! It happens. It's inevitable.
Wait. Oh! I ate that! That just went down my throat!
I got that on film.
No, easy.
Hey, give me a spray, Zach.
I caught that on film.